Number 1, chicken breast. Number 2, ground turkey. Number 3, oven-ready turkey breast. You can get these at the grocery store the day after Thanksgiving on sale. Buy them up, stock them up in your freezer. Number 4, egg whites. Number 5, eggs. Yes, the whole egg. Number 6, canned tuna. Number 7, salmon. Number 8, shrimp. Number 9, scallops. Number 10, haddock. Number 11, cod. You can get all these different types of fish at Costco in bulk, individually sealed. Very super easy to cook one serving. Number 12, canned chicken. Number 13, beef. Number 14, bison. Number 15, pork. Number 16, swordfish. Number 17, steak. Number 18, Kevin's Chicken is a great source of quick prepared chicken for you. This is not something I would use regularly. It is a little higher in sodium, but it's certainly something that you can use as a quick source of high protein. Now for some plant-based proteins. Number 19, tofu. Number 20, tempeh. Number 21, edamame. Number 22, lentils. Number 23, black beans. Number 24, lima beans. Number 25, kidney beans. Number 26, navy beans. Really any kind of bean. Number 27, quinoa. Number 28, chickpeas. Number 29, hemp seeds. Number 30, chia seeds. Number 31, pumpkin seeds. Number 32, seitan. Number 33, amaranth. Number 34, buckwheat. Number 35, Greek yogurt. You can buy Greek yogurt flavored with fruit. Pay attention to the added sugars. Otherwise, look for plain, low-fat, full-fat, or even no-fat Greek yogurt. Number 36, Fairlife milk. Great to add to high-protein cereal, oatmeal, or any other meal that you're using to cook with milk. Number 37, low-fat cottage cheese. Number 38, light string cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Love me some string cheese. Number 39, mozzarella cheese. Number 40, whey protein powder. This is the Isogenics protein powder that is a full meal replacement. It has protein and carbohydrates. You can also get straight whey protein powder that's just protein and does not have the added carbohydrates. Number 41, vegan protein powder. You can get plant-based protein such as pea protein. Number 42, these core power protein shakes are great in a bind. You can use them for a quick meal on the go. This one has 42 grams of protein. This is the Elite brand. There's also some that has 26 grams of protein. It's just dependent on what flavor, what texture you would like to have for the moment. Number 43, Premier Protein makes these really great protein shakes as well. These are really good on the go, something that you can take with you. This one is 30 grams of protein, and some of them do have extra casein in them for energy, so make sure you pay attention to that. You don't want to have that later in the day. Number 44, kefir. Number 45, protein bars. Look for a minimum of 15 to 20 grams of protein per bar. Some protein bars can really just be a candy bar in disguise. So look for a higher protein content and low added sugars. Number 46, jerky. You've got turkey jerky, beef jerky, elk jerky, or even buffalo jerky. Really quick, great for road trips on the go. Number 47, we talked about beans earlier. I'm going to call out canned beans specifically because this is a really quick way to get some protein in. Open up the container, strain and rinse off the beans, cook them up. Really quick meal. Number 48, high protein oatmeal packets. Number 49, protein pancake mix. Number 50, high protein cereal. This brand is one that I really like. It tastes great, and you can pair it with your Fairlife protein milk or even one of the Premier protein shakes, and you've got a really great high protein, really quick meal. Number 51 is high protein tortillas or wraps. Number 52, high protein pasta. You can find it chickpea based or lentil based. Number 53, roasted edamame or chickpeas. This is great for a snack on the go. I like to use these while I'm hiking as well. Number 54, salmon packets. Number 55, high protein mac and cheese. This is one that I actually found on the military base near us. This is muscle macaroni and cheese. It has 20 grams of protein per serving. These next ones are some protein add-ons that you can add in to your meals to add a little extra protein. Number 56 is nut butters. We've got almond butter and peanut butter here. Again, watch out for additional added sugar. Protein coffee creamer. This is collagen plus MCT, which I found at Sprouts. It was on the end cap. I decided to try it out. I kind of fell for the marketing, but it's a really great way to add a little extra protein to your coffee in the morning. Number 58 is collagen peptides. This is not a complete source of protein, but it's a great supplement to add to maybe your Greek yogurt or maybe some of your cereal, maybe even your coffee. Number 59 is flavored egg white bites. You can buy them already pre-made at Costco and other stores. The other thing that you can do is you can get yourself a nice little egg white bite container like this, and you can make your own egg white bites right in your Instapot. If you'd like to see how I do this, let me know. I'll make a video. Number 60 is high protein bread. Number 61, bone broth. Number 62 is clear protein powder. This is a little bit different from like a protein, like chocolate or vanilla protein powder. This is going to be clear protein that you just mix in with water. It creates a nice fruity drink for you. This one in particular is lemonade, but you can get various brands. You can get orange, you can get watermelon, berry. This is a really great summer drink as well. And number 63 is hard-boiled eggs. These are great to take with you on the go. They're good for a really quick snack. Have them ready for you, available in your refrigerator. If you're like, Heather, this is great. These are all great ideas of how to get some high protein meals into your day. But if you're really struggling with trying to figure out, like, how do I get 120 grams of protein in a day? How do I get 150 grams of protein in per day? I've got a really great video for you to watch that shows you exactly how to break down your meals and figure out how to get that high protein in every single meal. If you're new here and we haven't met, my name is Heather. And on this channel, I share all sorts of great tips, ideas, and strategies for getting fit after 40. So we talk about yoga, strength training, nutrition, mindset, all of the wonderful things that go into living a healthy lifestyle, feeling strong, athletic, and feeling like yourself again. And so if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and maybe share it with somebody who you think might find it helpful. I've also got a really great nutrition guide that's very helpful towards building out an individual plate, building out a meal that's really focused on protein and what does it mean to prioritize protein. So if you'd like to check out that guide, I've got a link for you in the description. Talk to you in the next video.